For once again, a very big welcome to Pinax TV. Now, we all know the back and forth of Asamaoh Gyan, a Black Star skipper Asamaoh Gyan. Now, main Kokan story ni Bibri, I believe so you've been following the story for long and you know the head and tail of it all. Says here in the news, actually it came some few days ago, indicates say Asamaoh Gyan, he has actually lost the first court case. He has actually lost the first court case against the wife. I mean, no, say court. Asamaoh Gyan says he should pay a sum of 2 billion old Ghana cedis. 2 billion old Ghana cedis to the ex-wife and the estranged wife on any war court a battle out a friend of Madam and Mrs. Gyan. Now let us break this down about how Asamaoh Gyan actually lost this case. Now, as we said, or as we've been saying earlier on the update of this particular Asamaoh Gyan and Gifty Gyan issue or here if any Gifty Gyan, this is what actually happened when Asamaoh Gyan actually filed for a divorce, and he said he was not actually married to this girl in the first place. And what's more, Asamaoh Gyan also said that he wanted to actually know if he is the actual father of the 3 children that they had and he had with the woman. So he actually ordered for a paternity test. I mean, because the DNA results in by it shows 3 of the children Asamaoh Gyan. So and also he actually received a lot of bashing from Ghanaians and people saying, why would you do this? Because immediately you do that, you create some sort of scar in the children's head that for the rest of their life they will actually live to regret the action that you undertook. Now this is what actually people are saying. So for example, wow, now Obani Dibe 4-5 years, and all of a sudden your child realizes or see on TV say, oh papa, a DNA test because of so yes sure say so people were actually bashing Asamaoh Gyan for that. Now Mrs. Gyan also confirmed lawyers and now also battle back Asamaoh Gyan. All that she was saying is that if Asamaoh Gyan says he doesn't want to date her again or he doesn't want to stay with her again, fine. But the 3 children involved, it is his duty to take care of them. You need to take care of the children. And once the woman has brought children with you, have suffered with you through the thin and thick, she also deserves some property. She also deserves a piece of your success. So because of that, or the Asamaoh Gyan actually she was seeking, as we put it there the last time, she was seeking a lot of damages, a lot of property, and what she was actually saying is that in terms of Sika Asamaoh Gyan she was actually part of the people who actually pushed Asamaoh Gyan to the level. So because of that, she actually deserves a fair share of Asamaoh Gyan property. Or kakra to Asamaoh Gyan on inama or kase she Gifty Gyan was never married to her in the first place, him in the first place. No, it's not possible because she Gifty Gyan actually have documents to prove Asamaoh Gyan actually legally married her, which actually seems to suggest that if they are both legally married, then Asamaoh Gyan properties are now $100 million worth that he is. No, he needs to actually give half of those property to the lady. Oh yeah, every month. So now let's take this from that point. When they took the case to court, finally, the courts have actually given a verdict on that on this particular case, which is the courts, they've actually come out to give a final verdict. In the final verdict, this is what they are saying. They are actually giving, your friend is saying, the power and I'd say the full authority to Madam Gifty Gyan to actually take what she rightfully deserves. That's according to the courts. Now, this was what happened. According to the Divorce and Matrimonial Division of the Accra High Courts, presided over by Her Ladyship Miss Justice Hafisa Amela Boba, she said or she ordered the Black Stars captain Asamaoh Gyan to pay the estranged wife Gifty Gyan an amount of 204,392.22 cedis as maintenance fees alone. Now, according to the judge who actually presided on that particular case and gave that particular verdict, she said that the figure quoted covers a period of 15 months from July 2018 to September 2019. During these times, the battle in court. Asamaoh Gyan said she actually never married the woman. The woman doesn't deserve anything. The children are not his. So for all those men that they were in court battling out, that 15 months, the 2 billion old Ghana cedis actually was the money that the woman was supposed to get. I will say now is just getting to almost 1 million Ghana cedis. That is also insane. Now this is what the court is also saying. They are also saying the money is not just covering for the 15 months, it's also covering for the maintenance of the 3 children. The 3 children, among other things, which among other things, somebody can media me bokra me boo for can say a year it covers electricity bill, gas, internet, Skype, saloon, other vehicle maintenance, toiletries, a whole lot of unnecessary things. Woman, she has actually been able to get Asamaoh Gyan, and she, according to the law court, is getting what she rightfully deserves. We've actually given women more rights in this country. That is how times have changed over the century. Titino oba ifi awaria okon sapan. Say things have changed. Our laws, our things that we are doing in this country, everything is favoring women. I'm not saying it's bad or it's good, but then at a point we should also look at a laws which will not be biased. I know so because Pinax say now can so Asamaoh Gyan should take care of the children. But for a cost to cover a Skype and toilet roll, please, that shouldn't be part. But I'm not going to sit here and give my verdict or my opinion. The opinion is yours to make in the comment section below. So let us know what you think about this whole issue. As we said, he has lost big, about 2 billion Ghana cedis. And according to the court, this is just the first half of the case. In no time to come, Asamaoh Gyan and the wife's case, court case, will actually come to an end. The court is actually going to give a final verdict. The final verdict is simple: that either Asamaoh Gyan will win the court case or the wife will win it, which means either one who wins, one person must lose, and either person who loses, there's going to be a legal money issue inside because Asamaoh Gyan loses, which means automatically his property or half of his property is entitled to Gifty Gyan. If Gifty Gyan loses, then it means she goes home with nothing, and also she'll be losing money. So let us know what you think in the comment section below. Please subscribe if you are new, and do well to also share this video to your various social media handles. Thank you for watching.